Hello friends, welcome to the Eureka Learning Channel. You are watching Eureka Learning Channel. This is Pawan Sai Thadepalli. In this video, I am doing one data analysis project, friends. This project about TED Talks. I think you already know about what is TED Talks. So this is an data analysis project. This project is really helpful. You can add this project in your resume also, friends. So in this video, you can know very great stuff about how to do data analysis from scratch. So then let's go into the video, friends. Here, problem statement. First, we have when we are starting any data science project or any data analysis project. So data storytelling is very important, friends. And if you are working in the notebooks, notebook storytelling also very important. In this video, I will tell how to write a notebooks uh, matter in the notebooks. Because if you write a observations or any matter about the syntax or what the output you are getting from that syntax, it will be helpful for the adults when some people are when they are seeing this your project. Really helpful in a real time also. So that's why I put some, I write some notebook matters. In the notebook I write some passages like information about the output, what I observed in the from what I observed from the data. These all are I wrote in the notebook. So this is the problem statement, analyzing the TED Talk data. So what is TED? TED, what is the abbreviation of TED? TED means technology, entertainment, and design. So the talks will be majorly are from these three topics, friends. Uh, so let's go into the history of TED. TED founded by 1984 in 1984 by Richard Solomon. TED is a non-profit organization, friends, to aim to bring the experts from the fields of this technology, entertainment, and design to share their knowledge to the society. So this is the main motto of the TED, friends. So TED has some sister organization also that is called TEDx. So they conducted more than 2000 talks till 2015, because this data I get only up to 2015, friends. So this is the some history about the TED, friends. If you want to know about the TED, you can go to this description of history of TED. You can know about the TED. So coming to our project, to do a data science project or data analysis project, we need data. So if you get the data, first you have to understand the data. What is data is telling? So how many features are there? How many columns are there? How many rows are there? So each feature, what is the description of the each feature? We have to know. Then only we can do the project. Without knowing anything, we can't do anything. We can't do anything, friends. So let's go into the feature description or attribute description. The first feature is name, the official name of the TED Talk. That means the name of the TED Talk includes title and speaker. So, and the second feature is title of the talk. Third feature is the description. So description means a description about the talk, what this talk tells. And main speaker, the speaker of the talk, and speaker occupation, the occupation of the main speaker, a number of speaker, how many speakers are speaking in this talk, duration, the duration of the talk. I think for a TED there is they have some restricted time. I think 18 minutes, and in our data, so that the time is in seconds, friends. Please remember this point. Event where this talk took place, and film date where when the talk is happened, publish it date when they put this talk in their website, like in social media or in their website TED.com also. Comments, the number of comments to this talk. Tags, this also one feature, the themes associated with the talk. And languages, in how many languages this talk available. Ratings means, see friends, it is a dictionary, it is in the dictionary format. So from various ratings of these talks. Related talks, a list of dictionaries of recommended talk to watch next. See friends. So URL means URL of the talk, and views, how many views, the number of views on the talk. So this is about the attribute description or data description also. So let's go into the coding part, friends. It is a very interesting part, I know. So these are the importing libraries to do this project, and these are the common libraries to do any data science or data analysis project, friends. And I put some plotting style, sns.set_style of white grid, palette muted, and style 538. I'm ignoring the warnings like depreciation warning, user warning, runtime warning, and feature warning. I'm ignoring all these warnings, friends. So this is the syntax for ignoring the warnings. In this setting, the number of rows and columns, friends, means how many number of rows you want, and how many columns you have want put when you are printing this data. So for this reason, if you want more rows, if you print the normally data frame or data, all rows are not visible. So top 10 and last 10 will be visible. So if you want all the rows should be present and all the data should be present when you are printing, so you can use this command, friends, pd.set_option. You have to give maximum rows and maximum columns. See, I gave this 1 lakh and 1000, friends. And after I am accessing the drive, why I am accessing the drive, because I am doing this project in Google Colab. So if you want to upload the data, you have to first upload the data in the drive. Why drive required means, if you access this Colab from your drive, the data can be saved automatically. So that's why I'm using I upload data in my drive. For this reason, I'm accessing the drive. So to if you want to access your drive, this is the command, friends, from google.colab import drive, and drive.mount you have to give Google Drive in the quotations. After, you have to run this command, friends. See, these are the common steps for the all the projects, any projects. And the next part is main part, friends, reading the data. So this data is in the CSV file. So that's why I'm using pd.read_csv, means pandas.read_csv method, friends. So I am giving my data path, my data set path, friends, here. And after I am printing the top data, top 5 observations of the data. See, name, title, as I already explained, friends, features, and this is the top 5 observations of the data set. So next, friends, means I have to know which are the top 15 most viewed talks of all time. So this is my question, friends. For this, I gave this variable name as popular_talks equal to df. Why I gave df? Because my data is present in the df variable, friends. So df of, for 15, we have to know 15 most viewed talks. So which features are required, friends? See, title required, title of the talk, main part. Speaker of the talk also required, views also required, and date. So I am sorting, means I require top 15. So how can I sort? Means viewed. So I will give sorter underscore values based upon the views, friends. And I gave ascending equal to false. If you want, you can put a true. And I require only top 15. So I gave this like this. So after I am printing popular talks, top 15 popular talks in all the time. So see, these are the popular talks on speaker views and date of the talk. So this is the popular talks, top 15 popular talks, friends. So after this, I put observations. So what I observed from this popular talks. Can Robinson's talk on do school skill creativity. So this is the talk name, friends. Do school skill creativity. So Ken Robinson is the main speaker and see it has all time more views, friends. Uh, I think 4.7, 47.2 million views, friends. See. And also, coincidentally, it is also one of the first talks to ever be uploaded on the TED site. So, see, friends, see, you can know it is the first talk, I think, 2006. This is also one observation, friends. And the next observation is Robinson's talk is closely followed by Hamish Cuddy's talk on your body language may shape and you are. There are two only talks that have surprises. See, friends, we can know. Yeah, see, first two talks, friends. Army Cuddy. These are the high more views of the talks in the TED every time, in all the time. So because they reach 30 million mark, friends. So these are the observations I observed from this popular talks data frame, friends. Next, another question. So I am creating a subset of these popular talks and sorting the data based upon the views. So for this, I put this data frame. But if you want to know, if you are require visually, we can do bar plot. We can use bar plot, friends. So in this next question, I am using bar plot. So let us make a bar chart to visualize these 15 talks in terms of the number of views they earned, friends. So means so we have to know the speaker also. That's why I take only the first three letters of the speakers. So the first three letters of the first name of the speaker. Popular talks means abbreviation. I created one column called abbreviation or ABBR of popular talks of main speaker dot apply. I am only taking first three letters. That's why I write like this. I am using anonymous function called lambda and lag x and x of 3 up to 3 first 3, and I am giving the figure size 15 comma 8, and I require bar plot, so I use this command sns dot bar plot. X abbreviation means speaker and y, which speaker got more views. Speaker and y equal to views, and data means our data from popular talks. See, friends, we know Ken Robinson's talk is the more views, 47.2 millions after Amikudi. See, these are the bar plot. First two reach the 30 million, friends. So this is the bar plot of the views, which talk or which speaker got more views for his talk. See, next. I am printing the top 5 observations of the popular talks, friends. And after I am using distribution. I have to know what is the distribution of the views column. See, friends, the SNS plot is the very good command to know about the distribution of the each feature. So I want to know about the views feature. That's why I gave df of views histogram equal to false. If you want to know about histogram, you can give true. So this is the distribution of the views, friends. Means the scale is 1 into e power minus 7. 1 into e power 7, friends. In the x-axis, 1 into e power 7. And in the y-axis, density into 1 into e power minus 7. Because these talks have in the million views also. That's why I gave like this. See, this is the distribution. After, normally so many people didn't understand from the graph or plot. That's why we have one command in the in the pandas feature dot describe. It will give all the descriptive statistics of the feature. So what are descriptive statistics? Mean, median, standard deviation, min, max, 25% quartile, 50%, all this. So total count. So this is the count friends and mean 1.7 millions and standard deviation 2.4 millions, minimum, maximum 47.2 millions. See friends. So observations. What I observe from this descriptive statistics, the average number of views on TED Talks is 1.6 million. How you know average means 1.69 million friends, 1.7 million, as I already said. And the median number of views is 1.1 median. See friends, what is median? Median means 50% mean. 50%. See 1.12 million. So average also 1.7 million and median also 50% also 1.2 million friends. This suggests very high average level of popularity means very popular. TED Talks are very popular. Normally, average and median are very far friends. But in this case, in the data, these are very close. From that, we can understand these are very popular. And we also notice that the majority of talks have views less than 4 million. And see friends, how you know majority of talks less than 4 million? From the power. If you have power 6, we can know it is a million. If you have power less than million, we can say less than million. So next one friends, comments. I want to know about the descriptive statistics of the comments feature friends. That's why I'm using df of comments dot descript. So count 2550 total observations and mean 192. So average TED Talk has 192 comments friends. And standard deviation minimum each talk has 2 comments. Maximum 6004 comments means the talk is very popular. I think so many people are liking this talk about. So we can on average there are 192 comments on every TED Talk friends. And these are the observations. We can conclude that TED online community is highly involved means because we have more comments means the people are interested to discuss. If some people are commenting means they are very expressive or very interested to discussion. And there is a huge standard deviations association with the comments friends. See, and the mean is 191 and the standard deviation is 283 friends. In fact, it is even larger than the mean, suggesting that the measures may be sensitive. Means normally, if the standard deviation is very less friends, then only we can get a normal distribution. But here in this case, the standard deviation is more than the mean. From this, we can conclude that this data is more sensitive to outliers. So, how you say, because if the standard deviation is more, the variance is more friends, so you can't get the normal distribution or bell curve. From this we can say like this data is sensitive to outliers. The minimum number of comments in talk is 2 and maximum is 604 6404. The range is 6402, maximum minus minimum friends range. Why the some talks have less number of comments means we can think like these talks are posted recently. See, this is also an observation. See, the minimum number though may be as a result of the talk being posted extremely recently, friends. So this is the descriptive statistics. If you want to know about the distribution, so I can you plot this distribution. SNS dot plot of comments. See, friends, comments average 192. See, friend, we can't visualize, but I am saying. And I am again drawing distribution comments less than 500. See friends, so means what I observed from this plot. From the plot above you can see that bulk of the talks have fewer than 500 comments. See friends, we have curve only means the maximum shape occurred only less than 1000 friends. That's why I put this syntax. And after 1000, after 500, we have only less number of comments. That's why we can say, see, 0 to 500, we can get maximum area. This clearly suggests that the mean obtained above has been heavily influenced by outliers, because some most of the talks have less than 500 comments, but some talks have more than 500 comments. Now, friends, see, friends, this clearly suggests that the mean obtained above has been heavily influenced by outliers. This is possible because the number of samples is only 2,550 talks means. Because normally more talks have less than 500 comments, but some talks have more than 500 due to the popularity of the talk. But due to this, the variance is more. So we can, and the observations are very less, friends. So the outliers will be more. So you can't get the normal distribution easily. And I am maybe next is the correlation, because I am more interested about knowing the correlation between views and comments. This is a normal point, friends. If you have more views, if you have more comments, means the views of the talk also more. But we know the correlation will be high, but I want to know the number. That's why I'm using plot.scatter for visualization. See, friends, views and comments. Here we have more data. Above we have less data, friends. I am finding the correlation. If you want to know table values with data frame, you can use this command, friends, df of features.core. Defaultly, it will find correlation using Pearson method, friends. See, views. If you have views, we have a high correlation, and comments, we have greater than zero point 0.5, friends. Observations. What I observe from this table. As the scatter plot and the correlation matrix show, the Pearson coefficient is slightly more than zero point 0.5. This suggests a medium to strong correlation between the two quantities. Means we have less than zero point 0.5, we can say there will be a correlation present. Now check the number of, next is, friends, now check the number of views and comments on the 10 most commented talks of all the time. See, for this, I am taking same feature, friends, title, main speaker, time, views and comments. So most 10 most commented, we want to know 10 most commented talks of all the time, friends. So for this, if you want to sort this, you have to use comments feature. See, sort underscore values using comments. See, this talk has a more comments, friends. So observations, as can see above, Richard Dawkins talk on militant ethicism. It generated the greatest amount of discussion and opinion despite having significantly lesser views than the Ken Robinson's task, which is second in the list. This raises some interesting questions, which is what we want to explore further. Because more comments, which talks tend to attract the largest amount of discussion. So to answer this question, we will define a new feature, friends. Discussion quotient, which is simply the ratio of the number of comments to the number of views, friends. We will then check which talks have the largest discussion quotient. So for this, I am def of comments by future. This is the ratio, friends. So I am sorting the data using this quotient, friends. You can know which talks attract the more discussion, and to lead the more discussion, friends. So title, main speaker, views, comments, code this quotient ratio and film date. Sort underscore values using this quotient, friends. See, so these are the top 10 talks which tend to attract more discussion, friends. These are the titles of the talks, top 10. E-voting without fraud, militant atheism, taking imagination seriously. These are the talks, friends. So after, I want to know who are the top speakers. We know from that bar plot, but I want to know the speakers. Who are the top speakers? Top speakers. I am taking this variable equal to df dot main. This is the feature, friends. And which speaker has more views? I am taking only top 10. So I am visualizing this top speakers using bar plot. I am taking figure size as 15,6 and I require bar plot. So using matplotlib, I am drawing this bar plot, friends. Plot dot bar top speaker, this variable dot index. In index means we get the speakers names, friends. That's why I take like this and hide top speakers. See, hands rolling, rosling. These are the speakers. Top. These are the top speaker names. Observations, friends. What I observed from this bar plot. Hans Rosling, the Swiss health professor, is clearly the most popular TED speaker with more than 9 appearances. Means this bar plot indicates the how many times the speakers are gave the talk. So the speaker Hans Rosling gave more number of times. See, more than 8. Next, Juan comes a close second with the 7 appearances, friends. 7. And see, this is the observations, friends. So, what are the occupations of the speaker? That also I want to know. So, which occupation should you choose if you want to become a TED speaker? Let us have a look at what kind of people that is most interested in innovating to events. So that's why I'm drawing this, visualizing this using pie plot, friends. So if you want to draw pie plot, this explode is a very important parameter to draw the pie plot, friends. So I put these values, friends. 4. I will tell why I put these 4 values. So first we want to know the syntax to draw the pie plot. So which feature you want to draw pie plot? DFR speaker occupation dot value underscore counts of. I need only 5, friends, and that plot kind equal to pi and explode equal to explode. I gave 4 now, friends. So this how many parts you want. So that's why you have to give. And auto percentage means after 1.0 and label distance, how much distance you want to give. You can give some any number, friends. And I am plotting this a pie plot, friends. This is how we can visualize using pie plot, friends. Writer, so has more. Writer occupation is more, friends. Which occupation should you choose if you want to become a TED speaker? So most talks about the writer. So many people, writer occupation has interested more. And after entrepreneur, journalist, designer, and artist. So observations. Writers are the most popular with more than 45 speakers identifying themselves as the aforementioned. And artists and designs are come a distant second with around 35 speakers in each category. And see, friend, this is the observation. And some professions tend to attract a large number of users. To answer this question, let us visualize the relationship between top 10 most popular professions and the views they earned from the box plot. So top 10 occupations list we need. So I take speaker occupation and value underscore counts of top 10, friends. And after I'm giving to list, I'm converting this data into list, friends. And I am so I am checking the speaker occupation present in this top 10 occupation list. So after using this data variable top 10 occupation, I'm drawing this bar plot, box plot, friends, not bar plot, box plot. So this is the syntax: figure comma axis using matplotlib. Visualizing the this box flat, friends. Plot dot subplots of n rows one column means how many this plots require. I require only one, so that's why I gave like this 1 comma 1 and figure size. And box plot, SNS dot box plot. I am giving this box plot, visualizing this box plot using Seaborn, and in the X speaker occupation Y views, which speaker occupation has more views, and data is the top 10 occupation, friends, and AX equal to axis. And I am, because the views are in the millions, that's why I scale like this, zero point 0.4 into e power 7, friends, 0 comma zero point 0.4. This is the scale, 0 to maximum. I put only y limit because use only in the limits now, friends. That's why I write like this. See, writer has a more range, friends. See, from 1.2 millions to 4 nearly 4 millions. And after psychologist, I think less than uh, from less than 1 million to equal to 4 million, friends. These are the observations. On average, out of the top 10 most popular professions, psychologists tend to garner more views. Means, see, more views, friends, for psychologists. Writers have the greatest range. I already said, no, friends, 1 to 4 millions between the first and the third quartile. And after I am converting the duration because I want to know how many minutes. I want to know the descriptive statistics of the views, minutes, durations feature, friends. So I am converting. Normally, this duration gave in the data in the seconds, but I want to know about the minutes. So I am dividing with the 60, friends, converting seconds to minutes. I am printing only top 5. Find the details of the longest and shortest TED Talks, means in terms of duration, friends. So TED is a famous for imposing a very strict time limit of 18 minutes. Normally, every talk should be in that 18 minutes, friends. Although this is the suggested limit, but some talks have 2 minutes and some have 24 minutes, friends. So let's go into the descriptive statistics of the duration feature. Count to 2550 observations and mean the average TED talk is the 14 minutes, friends. And see, and maximum talk will be 87 minutes. Oh, this is really interesting, friends. Observations, an average 14 minutes long each talk. And find the, surprisingly, TED talks are often synonymous with 18 minutes, and the average is good 3 minutes shorter than that. Means normally each TED talk has 18 minutes, friends, but average also 14 minutes. Means so many people are watching the entire talk. This is a real important, friends. Some people will watch only 1 minute, 2 minutes, but so many people are watching entire talk. Means you can say total 18 minutes, friends. Mean is 14 minutes, so it is very near. So many people are watching the entire talk. So this is a very really interesting observation, friends. And the shortest TED talk is record to 2.25 minutes long, and the longest talk is 87.6 minutes long, friends. So I am finding the which talk is the shortest and which talk is the longest. Let us look at the shortest talk, friends. So to know the which talk is shortest, this is the command df of I am using duration feature equal to 2.25 because I already know the minimum minutes of the talk. See, this talk is the minimum time. Title, the ancestor of the language. Speaker is Murray. He is a physicist. Duration is 2.25 minutes, friends. And next, we want to know longest talk. So the longest talk duration is 87.6 minutes, friends. So this is the name of the talk, title, Paris, the universe and everything, description. And the speaker name is Douglas. He's a author from University of California. This talk event takes place in University of California, friends. So this is about the shortest talk and longest talk, friends. So this is about this video. is about the TED Talks data analysis, friends. I hope you enjoy this video and you know some really interesting things. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe in my channel and please share to your friends. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and please give a comment. It really helpful for me, friends. And if you click on the bell button, you can get new updates from my channel, friends. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Happy Christmas, friends.